In this video, we are going to see how we can send our sheet to email, okay? Or like you can see, I have just a small data set like a name, age, and a gender, and I want to send this file automatically to Gmail. How manually we can save a file, then we are going to send to which Gmail. So this is the step we can see. First, we are creating the Outlook application. So there is already defined in the application this Outlook app as an object. We are using this, okay? We are declaring some variable to Outlook as a, we are using an object, and this is my name of a code. And then we are going to like for Outlook app equals to create object like Outlook that application. Now after that we are defining the Outlook mail item, because now we created the object of the variable, and now we are out in the Outlook as an object for create item. Okay, so we are creating or defining Outlook mail item. Okay, so now we are going to now replace where there as the whichever Gmail ID you want it. Okay, so if there is a recipient, whichever email ID you have, you can replace with this. I use with Outlook mail because with it will save your repetitive writing task, because whenever I already told you in the range that how we can cell referencing do. Okay, so there whenever you have like a, okay, so worksheet dot range, you are taking a whole range dot font dot bold. Okay, so this is, you have the repetitive again and again, but with the, with not bold, sometime italic, sometime the font name will font size will change. So the other remaining part will be same, that name dot whatever the range you are selecting, that range you are performing with the font. So this left side all the three lines will be same. So if you want to reduce that, you can use with the like a with. Okay, so with you are like composing that code. Okay, so to which recipient, subject what you want to add, as you are writing an email saying like here there is a no change. Okay, subject attachment from Excel, and then dot body with the hi, like which hi, please find the attached file. Okay, and then attachments dot active workbook. Okay, which workbook you want, active one, dot the which name of your full name. Okay, so then end with the, and then we are like releasing object from memory. So like Outlook mail equal to nothing, then dot nothing. So this is the releasing part of a memory, and then you can save the your you can save your code, and then perform and run your code, and then you can see how your mail will be open with this file, how you can attach your file. Or you can insert your as I showed you, like insert button, and then you can assign your macros with that code. Okay, so whenever you click on that, your file will be sent with the which email you wrote there. Okay, so this is you can copy or you can understand step by step this code, and you just change the email ID and whatever you want, subject, body, attachment type. Okay, so this is a very simple code for the sending file to the mail.